Sai Ram children, welcome to online session. We'll continue with our chapter 9, discount and commission. In the previous session we have studied about commission. The person who brings the buyer and seller together is called an agent or a commission agent or a mediator or broker. Right? We have studied about that. And the person is paid some remuneration. That is for his service. Some amount is paid for his service, that is commission. And commission is usually expressed or given in terms of, that is in percentage. It is given in percentage. It is expressed in percentage, and the agent gets the commission from seller or buyer or from both. We have studied about that. Today we will do about rebate. The organizations like Khadi Gramodyog, handloom shops, handicraft selling centers, bachat groups, etc. give attractive discounts on special occasions. Now Khadi Gramodyog. Khadi Gramodyog, when we say Khadi, it is a type of textile, that is clothes are made. And when we say Khadi, we always remember about Gandhiji. When is Gandhi Jayanti? It is on 2nd October. So especially on special occasions like Gandhi Jayanti and all, these Khadi Gramodyog, that is Khadi Bandas, they give special discounts. Even the handloom shops, handicraft selling centers, bachat groups are self-help groups, that is made by women. The women, they come together and they start some industries, some small scale industries or cottage industries, and they make the things like pickle, papads, etc. and they give discounts on special occasions. The amount of discount is compensated by the government. So this discount which they gave is compensated by government. Government refunds them. The government gives them amount that refunds. So this amount is compensated by government, and this monetary compensation is known as rebate. Hence, rebate is also a type of discount. So today we will study about rebate. The individuals having income up to certain limit also receive some discount on their payable income tax. This discount is also known as rebate. So this is related to our income, up to certain income. They also, the individuals, the people receive discount on their payable income tax. You know, we pay tax to government. So on that payable income tax, and they get some discount. The discount is also rebate. But this part we will not be doing. We will not be doing this part which is related to income or income tax and all. So let's continue with practice set 9.2 fourth sum. Uma Tai purchased following items from a Khadi Bhandar. 3 saris for 560 rupees each, 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees each. On the purchase, she received a rebate of 12%. How much total amount did Uma Tai pay? So what items Uma Tai has purchased? She has purchased 3 saris. She has purchased 3 saris for 560 rupees each. 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees. And how much rebate she got? It is 12%. So usually rebate is also expressed in percentage. How much total amount did Uma Tai pay? So solution. Here directly we are starting with solution. So given we have seen and to find. So solution. How many saris did she buy? She bought 3 saris. So cost of 3 saris. Cost of 3 saris is equal to, what was the cost of one sari? 560. So 3 saris, we will multiply 3 with 560. So children, you are ready with your books, right? Yes, multiply. Multiply 560 with 3. And the answer is 1680. If you are multiplying with a one digit number, even horizontal multiply you can do. 3 zeros are 0, then 3 6 are 18, 18, 1 carry up, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. So, if the numbers are simple or one digit number, practice with the horizontal multiplication also. So, the answer is, the cost of 3 saris is rupees 1680. What next she bought? She bought 6 bottles of honey. And what is the cost of one bottle? 90 rupees. So 6 multiplied by 90. So multiply 6 with 90. Answer is 540. We know 6 nines are 54 and we have to add 1 0. So 540. Now total cost of items purchased. So we have to do the total of both the items. First, that is of saris, cost was 1680 and honey 540. So add both the items. When you will add both the items, the answer is 2220. Total cost of items purchased is 2220. Now what we have to calculate? We have to find the rebate. Now how much was the total rebate given? So total rebate given was 12%. And rebate is a special type of discount. So it is calculated on marked price. So what we have to do? We have to find the marked price. Now total cost of the item was 2220. 12% of that. 12% means 12 upon 100. So do the calculation. We can say 10 cut, 10 cut. Simple. We do the calculation like this, right? Then what is remaining is 2222 into 12 upon 10. Here denominator is 10. So we will not do further reduction. I will not reduce to smallest term here. That is 2 6 are 2 5s are nothing. If your denominator is multiple of 10 or 100 and so on, leave like that. So this will help us in the calculation. What we will do? First we will multiply 222 with 12. So multiply children 222 with 12 and the answer is 2664. 2664 upon 10. This 10 is there in denominator. Now what we will do? We have to, upon 10 means divide by 10. So when we have to divide by 10, what we will do? We will directly put the decimal at one digit, that is after one digit. So it will become 266.4. One place decimal. And it is rupees. So whenever we write rupees and all, we write two digits. So it is 266.40. That is 40. 266.40 paise. Now this is the total rebate Umatai got. This is the total rebate. How much amount she has to pay? Amount paid is, the marked price was 2220. And from that we will subtract the rebate amount. So when you will subtract, you will get the answer 1953.60. That is 1953.60 paise. Now when you are doing the subtraction, you arrange decimal below decimal. So decimal below decimal, children, you arrange 2220 and you are subtracting 266.40. So here also you put point and 00. If you are not able to subtract properly, then arrange decimal below decimal and get the answer. So answer is Umatai has to pay how much, children, amount? 1953.60 paise. Next question. Use the given information and fill in the boxes with suitable numbers. Srimati Deepanjali purchased a house for rupees 7,50,000 from Srimati Leelaben through an agent. Agent has charged 2% brokerage from both of them. Now what is brokerage? Brokerage is commission. The commission paid to broker, that is agent. Now, who purchased the house? Srimati Deepanjali. She purchased the house. She is a buyer. For rupees, amount is 7,50,000. From whom she is purchased? Srimati Leelaben. So, Leelaben is, we can say, seller. Okay, agent is charging 2% brokerage from both of them. So, this is given in form of equity. Srimati Deepanjali paid. How much brokerage she paid? She paid 2% brokerage, and this 2% brokerage is on 7,50,000. So 7,50,000 into 2 upon 100, and when you will do the calculation, you will get the answer, that is 7,500 multiplied by 2. So 7,500 multiplied by 2, you will get 15,000. So this is the 15,000 brokerage she paid for purchasing the house. Srimati Leelaben paid brokerage. How much she paid? Same that is amount. That is, she also paid 15,000. Calculation is same. That is, she paid 2% brokerage on 7,50,000. So when you will calculate, you will get the answer 15,000. Now total brokerage received by the agent. Now total brokerage received by the agent. Agent is receiving the brokerage from buyer and seller. So 15,000 plus 15,000, 30,000. Brokerage received by the agent is 30,000. Now cost of house Srimati Deepanjali paid. How much she will pay? 7,50,000 is the cost plus the brokerage 15,000. So total cost for her is 7,50,000 plus 15. So it comes to 7,65,000. Srimati Deepanjali paid rupees 7,65,000. And the selling price of house for Srimati Leelaben, the actual amount she is getting back is, selling price was 7,50,000 minus 15,000 she paid the brokerage. So the seller, when he is paying the brokerage, or she is paying the brokerage, it is minus. So she is paying 7,50,000 minus 15,000. So for her the selling price is rupees 7,35,000. So let's see the calculation. Srimati Deepanjali paid 7,50,000 into 2%. So as we said, 0 cut, that is 200, 200 there. Simply we show now like this. And what is the amount remaining? 7,500 into 2, which is coming to 15,000 brokerage for purchasing the house. Srimati Leelaben, she also paid the same amount, 15,000. Total brokerage received by the agent is, total brokerage, that is 15,000 plus 15,000. He is getting the brokerage from both buyer and seller. So 30,000. Cost of house Srimati Deepanjali paid, it is, she is paying 7,50,000 plus the brokerage. So buyer has to, when you buyer's amount we are calculating, plus the brokerage. So it comes to 7,65,000. Selling price of house for Srimati Leelaben is, selling price was 7,50,000, but she is paying the brokerage minus for her. This much amount will be deducted. So the amount is 7,35,000. And here agent is receiving the brokerage from both buyer and seller. This is an assignment question. From our handloom stores, Sudhir purchased the following items. 2 bedsheets, rupees 375 each. 2 floor mats, rupees 525 each. On the purchase, he received a rebate of 15%. Find the total rebate. How much should Sudhir pay to the shopkeeper? So here we have to find two things. That is total rebate and how much amount, how much should Sudhir pay to the shopkeeper. And what did he buy? He purchased 2 bedsheets of 375 each. How many bedsheets? 2. 375 each, and 2 floor mats 525 each. So this question is given in form of an activity. Cost of 2 bedsheets. So you are going to write the cost of 2 bedsheets. 2 multiplied by what is the amount of the bedsheet. Then cost of 2 floor mats. 2 multiplied by what is the amount given. Then total cost of the items. So add cost of the bedsheets plus floor mats, total cost, you add it. Then you have to find the total rebate given on marked price. And then whatever the rebate you are getting from the total marked price, subtract it and write the answer. And this is the amount Sudhir has to pay. It is similar to the question which we have done. So here we have finished the chapter discount and commission. We will conclude our session here. Thank you children. Take care of yourself.